pleasant evening to everyone. I am April Rose P. Apad from the University of Mindanao Professional Schools, Davao City, Philippines, and I will be your presenter for this evening with my co-author, Dr. Lyndon A. Quines. The title of my study is Work Values, School Climate and Culture, a Path Model Analysis on Work Performance of Teachers in Public Elementary Schools. Teachers' work performance has been a major issue in education, with studies showing wide variability in instructional effectiveness within and across schools, according to Jones et al. 2022. Factors contributing to poor teacher performance include insufficient content knowledge, poor classroom management skills, lack of cultural competency, and low expectations for students. These deficiencies can severely limit student academic progress and undermine efforts to close achievement gaps. Moreover, ineffective teaching practices can contribute to a negative school climate and culture, potentially leading to increased disciplinary issues, lower student attendance, and a less conducive learning environment. Hence, education research work performance remains important for organizational success in today's fast-paced landscape, according to Aguinas et al. 2021. With constant change, global competition, and evolving workplace models, businesses must optimize every employee's productivity to remain responsive, innovative, and cost-efficient. Maximizing each individual's contribution is key to output quality, customer satisfaction, and overall performance. Furthermore, high-performing individuals complete quality work efficiently, collaborate smoothly with team members, and help achieve organizational goals in a complex, shifting environment. This study determined the predictive model of the work performance of teachers in public elementary schools in Region 12. Specifically, it intended to achieve the following objectives. First, it measured the level of work values in public elementary schools in terms of physical facilities, professional growth, interpersonal relationships, social environment, personal gratification, new challenges, and job security. Second, it determined the school climate in terms of collaboration, student relations, school resources, decision making, and instructional innovation. Third, to assess the school culture in terms of collaborative leadership, teacher collaborative, professional development, unity purpose, collegial support, and partnership. Fourth, the study aimed to ascertain the level of work performance of teachers in terms of task performance, contextual performance, interpersonal and organizational, adaptive performance, and counterproductive work behavior. Fifth, it intended to determine if there are significant relationships between work values and work performance of teachers, school climate and work performance of teachers, and school culture and work performance of teachers. Finally, it determined the best fit path model that predicts the work performance of teachers among public elementary school teachers in Region 12. The respondents involved in this study were the public elementary school teachers in the Department of Education, Region 12. The region has 23,569 teachers who are qualified to be included as the participants of this study. However, this will include a total number of 400 respondents from General Santos City, Coronadal City, South Cotabato, and Sarangani. Rousseff calculator was used to figure out how many people in Region 12 responded to each division. There are four instruments used in this study based on the research problem. Primary data were used in gathering information about the study, which consists of four sections: teachers' work values, school climate, school culture, and work performance. The survey questionnaires used in the study were derived from a variety of similar studies. 6 specialists also checked the survey forms to make sure the questions were credible and correct. Following that, a pilot test was carried out and consistency of the survey items was tested using Cronbach's alpha. The researcher employed a non-experimental research design utilizing descriptive correlational research. It used statistical tools such as mean, person R, and regression analysis. Moreover, this study used the path analysis model. This research adhered to the ethical standards established by the University of Mindanao Ethics Review Committee for the handling of participants and data. The table presented the overall results of work values, school climate, school culture, and work performance. The level of work values, which has a weighted mean of 4.34 with a standard deviation of 0.427 and a verbal interpretation of very high. School climate with a standard deviation of 0.541 and a weighted mean of 4.18 with a descriptive equivalent of high. School culture with a standard deviation of 0.464 and a weighted mean of 4.40 with a descriptive equivalent of very high. Work performance with an overall weighted mean score of 4.40 and a standard deviation of 0.506, which has a verbal interpretation of very high. The table presented the results of the relationship between work values and work performance. The overall R value of 0.635 with a p-value of less than 0.05 signify the rejection of the null hypothesis. It means a significant relationship exists between work values and work performance. This means that work values is correlated with work performance. The results reveal the significant relationship between school climate and work performance. The overall R value of 0.580 with a p-value of less than 0.05 signify the rejection of the null hypothesis. It means a significant relationship exists between school climate and work performance. This means that school climate is correlated with work performance. Results showed a significant relationship between school culture and work performance. The overall R value of 0.655 with a p-value of less than 0.05 signified the rejection of the null hypothesis. It means a significant relationship exists between school culture and work performance. This means that school culture is correlated with work performance. The table presented the summary of the goodness of fit measures of the three path analysis models. As you can see, the results of the following: chi-square, the degrees of freedom; p-value, the norm fit index; the Tucker-Lewis index; comparative fit index; goodness of fit index; the root mean square of error approximation; and the index p close fit. Moreover, Figure 2 for path analysis is a standardized solution for Model 1. Figure 3, path analysis for Model 2, and Figure 4, path analysis for Model 3. In Figure 4, path analysis Model 3 in a standardized solution. The amount of variance explained by the combined influence of work values, school climate, and school culture on work performance is 48%. On the other hand, 74% of the variance in school climate can be attributed to the combined influence of work values and school culture. In addition, work values with a beta coefficient of 0.33 and school culture beta coefficient of 0.41 significantly influence work performance. Moreover, work values beta coefficient of 0.36 and school culture beta coefficient of 0.56 significantly predict school climate. Also, work values and school culture beta coefficient of 0.75 significantly predict each other. Results show that among the three path analysis models, only Model 3 had indices that consistently indicated an outstanding fit to the data. Therefore, it is identified as the best path model. With this, it could be concluded that the work performance among public elementary school teachers is influenced by how teachers understand and cultivate positive work values. School fosters an open and collaborative atmosphere and leads to higher work performance and positive learning environments. The level of work values, school culture, and the level of work performance of teachers are very high, while the level of school climate is high. On the other hand, after examining the data and selecting the best fit model for predicting teachers' work performance using the path analysis model, it was discovered that Model 3 met all of the conditions making it the most fitting model. Based on the foregoing results and relevant findings, the following recommendations were made. The Department of Education may actively promote and reinforce positive work values as they directly impact teaching performance and overall school effectiveness. Provide leadership training, resources, guidance, and recognition for schools that successfully integrate values, climate, and culture into their performance improvement strategies. School heads or school administrators promote professionalism, integrity, and commitment. Show respect for diversity by implementing inclusive practices such as organizing cultural awareness and safe atmosphere. And implement a comprehensive teacher evaluation system that includes class observations and feedback sessions. Teachers may embrace collaboration, showing willingness to share knowledge and resources with colleagues. The results of this study may serve as a useful tool for other researchers aiming to identify the variables affecting teachers' work performance, explore how emerging technologies and innovative teaching methods affect teacher performance, especially in light of the increasing integration of digital tools in education. Here are the references. According to Strange, teachers' work performance is reflected not only in their classroom effectiveness, but also in their ability to collaborate with colleagues, engage in continuous professional development, and maintain high standards of professional conduct. Thank you for listening.